Hi everyone, welcome back to Violetartistry. Thank you so much to Brooke who lended me her gorgeous face to create this lived-in beautiful smoky eye. She hardly wears any makeup, so this one was a big one for her. So thank you, Brooke. In case you're wondering, she is my boyfriend's daughter, whom I love so much. So thank you for being here today. And let's get started. I went ahead and neutralized any redness, anything that you can see on the eyelids, veins, or like I said, any redness. Just put a touch of concealer and then follow up with a cream product. I love these Laura Mercier cream shadow sticks. They're called, I believe, Caviar sticks. And I went ahead from the lash line all the way into the crease, and then with a synthetic brush, just blend. It's very easy to work. You can pretty much just put this pencil all over your eyelid and blend it, and you have a smoky eye. But we're gonna go further. Blend it as high as you want. Don't worry, it won't sit right away, so you have time to work with it. Of color around your eye. Then I'm going to reach back into the palette with a smaller crease brush, and I'm taking Gold Digger concealer, and I'm just going to blend that underneath the eyes and then a little bit around the nose just to take off any redness. This concealer is pretty high coverage, and like I said, I don't want to cover her freckles, so I'm gonna go in with something else in a second. So I picked up the skin. It's my favorite part, so I didn't cut too much out of. Her eyebrows are in perfect shape. I love that she doesn't over tweeze and overcuts them, so I went in with the Glossier Boy Brow and just brush them up and give them a little touch of color, but that's it. The finishing touches is a nice glossy lip. This is Lilah B, and it's a tinted lip oil called Be Elegant. It's the perfect nude with a touch of color. It complements the smoky eye so beautifully. And yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much, Brooke, for being here today, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next. Thank you.